Alright, I wanted to do a quick video, guys. Look at this crap. I just wanted to say, I'm at the car wash. I'm at the car wash, yeah. It's me. Anyway, I was saying, it's me, Sick Mick. I'm at the car wash. It just blew all this rainbow soap. Look at that. On my car. And now here come them brushes. Oh yeah, baby. Soaking it out. I'm at the car wash. You gotta see them brushes coming. I'm at the car wash, yeah. Do 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 do. Woo! Look at those big brushes humming. Woo! Car wash, baby. Remember being a kid and sitting in the car wash and thinking how cool it was? Well, this is what it's like being like freaking old and being in the car wash and thinking how cool it is. Woo! Car wash, baby. Look at that. Look at those things just spinning. I kind of wish I was in that movie Car Wash though. You guys ever see that movie? So awesome. Richard Pryor, and he's a car wash. It's a car wash movie. It is freaking awesome. Oh my god. Yeah. Interesting, man. Come do my car. Come. Like an earthquake in here. Come down. Man, this is a serious car wash, guys. Holy mackerel. I am telling you. That was 19 years old and no dew dripping. Look. Oh my goodness, how much stuff. This is like, looks like purple goo. Oozing on my car. Oh man, this is a serious damn car wash, man. Oh, I'm stuck in car wash, guys. Seriously. See what's next. Is it done yet? No. I'm thinking rinse, maybe. I don't know what it's doing. It's putting some green goo on my car, kind of light green. I have no idea. This, just so you guys know, it got the ultimate wash package at Moe's Superlube after they lubed my car because I was too lazy to do an oil change. So this is Moe's Super Car Wash, and it's their ultimate super car wash. I think it's seriously doing some serious, I think some serious ultimate car washing to my car right now. Okay. Wow, freaking awesome. God, sounds like it's gonna drive me off. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh, it's saying drive ahead. It's telling me to drive. Oh, damn it. Oh yeah, it's gonna drive me. Here we go. Here's the good drivers right there. Holy cow, did you see it vibrating my fan? It was blowing down on my fin. That was awesome. All right, you guys. You guys want to get out and see how good it did? Let's look. All right, let's look. Holy mackerel. Well, I'm gonna have to say, got it pretty dang clean because this car was dirty. Dirty. It's been raining around here. I live in, I got a dirt driveway, so, I didn't let it rinse off very good, did I? Oh well. Alright, you guys, it's me. Peace out, grows love to everyone. Look, I'm on the coast in Coos Bay, because I live not too far from here, and I had to come to town, so, here's where I'm at. Decided to share. Peace out, grows love, everyone.